Now, what is the real solution? That someday we just sit, do the Anulom Vilom, pranayama, for 11 minutes minimum. Then purposefully recall that memory. But this time, look at it from a witness point of view. Don't get involved in the emotional dance. Don't start dancing on the tunes of that smriti, of that memory. You are just being a witness to that memory. Then it may go on creating dukha, sukha, whatever. It may go on creating guilt, shame, anger, frustration, unhappiness, sadness, depression, whatever it creates, let it create. But this time, you are just being a witness, even to that which the memory is creating. If the memory is creating anger, guilt, shame, or depression, or sadness, let it create. Watch it create. Don't get involved into it. And don't recall a memory from a very superficial point of view. It is about reliving that very moment. That means you have to be very, very focused in recalling back the exact details, recalling back the exact amount of things that were needed, all the people that were involved, or you or the other person that was involved, or you or the other situations that were involved. Bring back as much detail as possible so you can actually relive it. So relive that moment. Memory of which is disturbing your sadhana. Relive that moment. But this time, maintain the witness to it. Don't become the victim of it, or don't become the person, the prey, the one who does the victimize somebody. Don't become that either. So don't take part in that memory. Look at you from separately. Pratipaksh bhav in Sanskrit we call it. So you have to recall that memory, relive that memory, that smriti. You have to relive it with pratipaksh bhav, the bhav of staying away. Neither you are the subject nor you are the object. Let the movie play. Yes, there will be tears. Yes, there will be anger. There will be shame. There will be whatever. But let it come out. Now you see, it's easier said than done. It cannot be done by anybody who's a beginner kind of in their spiritual journey. This kind of a thing, this practice cannot be done by them, because they cannot maintain that focus. They become involved again and again. The moment the memory comes up, they just get involved into that raga, dvesha, and all the drama and the nonsense that comes up with the memory, the emotions that it invokes. So beginner people will actually get consumed by it. But senior people, the real spiritual people, those who have walked their journey and they have been stabilized in their chitta, so they can bring that back the memory without being disturbed by it so much. But they have to bring it back to delete the smriti.